What it looks like before. Welcome to the closet. This is my walk-in closet, and it is very messy. It's giving chaotic. It's giving stress. It's giving unorganization. I have so many clothes that I'm not wearing, so many clothes that I need to get rid of, so many clothes that I need to donate. And today we're going to do all of that. And we're going to start with taking all of my clothes out and sorting through them. So let's start there.
We don't talk about nothing no more.
What we're working with so far.
We don't talk about nothing no more. Nothing. We don't talk about nothing no more.
This is all of my clothes. How embarrassing. Like, I didn't even realize I had this many clothes. Like, this is crazy. Here is, she's empty. It feels like I'm moving out. Wow, she's empty. Apart from, like, some random things on the floor. But yeah, all the clothes are out, you guys. Time to sort the clothes into piles. I'm gonna do keep, donate, and then, like, fall, winter stuff that I need to just take to my mom's or fold up and put in storage. So let's start that.
Say something, cause we don't talk about nothing no more. No, nothing. Do you not care about nothing no more? So if you're fighting, do you even want it? Do you feel you need this? Do you even feel it? Fighting for a lost cause where am I fighting for us? Just tell me, is it worth it all? Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like
A majority of the stuff is like fall and winter clothes. Like these two piles, fall and winter stuff. I have like my fall winter jackets, and then I have a bunch of sweaters in this pile. And then like this little small corner is like things that I can wear now. So I have like summer skirts, summer shirts, some workout stuff, like all my pants. And I only have one thing that I'm gonna get rid of. These are all the hangers. And then I have like some nice dress shirts that are kind of versatile that I'll just keep in my closet. In reality, I could really take all of this stuff to my mom's because it's not gonna be cold probably for at least another like 2 months. It's not gonna be like cold enough for me to wear sweaters. So I think I might actually just take all of this stuff to my mom's, and maybe leave some of the bigger jackets here. But let's go ahead and do that next. Old Marshall's bag here. And I'm just gonna start putting stuff in here that I'm gonna take to my mom's, like these really chunky knit sweaters. There's no point in them, you know, wasting space in my house when they can waste space in my mom's. No. I just go and put them in my old room. So it's not like I'm taking up any of her space. I'm just putting them away. Things like this I'll probably keep. It's like little cozy things in case I go to the movies or something. I'll keep here. But like sweaters like this, there's no point in having them because I'm not gonna wear them, babes. Alright, so these are 3 bags that I've filled with fall and winter clothes that I'm going to take to my mom's. So I feel like that's the majority of like what was making my closet messy, was just like out of season clothes that I don't wear, so I just threw them up there. And these are the clothes that I'm keeping here that I just need to organize and find a home for. And I do have this clothing rack here, and typically I like to keep things that I want to wear more consistently on here just so I can always see them. It's easy to grab. Right now it's not really organized. I have like some random stuff on here, but I really want to keep like workout stuff here, work clothes, and then my pants, because I typically, if I don't see my pants, I'll just wear the same pair of pants forever, like these. So I want to have all my pants laid out here so that I can have a variety of pants to wear and I won't forget about the pants that I have. So I'm going to redo this to make it kind of flow more and make it more practical for my everyday life. Things like all of my dresses I'm going to hang up in the closet. Folding your pants is what I like to do. Take a hanger like this. I guess they all... Take a hanger and hold your pants like this and put the hanger through, I guess, like the butt of the pant, and then fold one leg over, fold the other leg over, and it looks like this. It looks super neat. It looks like how they fold them in the stores, and then it looks so good on the hanger, on the rack. Okay, we're in the closet. So I've got all this stuff. This is like my summer stuff that I want to, everything that's hanging up are things that I want to wear this summer. First section here, I'm just going to have all of my dresses. And I want the next section to be just like t-shirts of just shirts that I want to wear. I want to be skirts. So these are all of my kind of midi skirts that I can wear still for the summer. Just like blouses for, you know, date night. I think I'm gonna put my skirts here for now. And this, okie dokie. The rest of this is, these are all like my hoodies, comfy shirts that I'm just gonna keep, you know, in case on a rainy day that I need something. So I'm just going to put these on the top shelf. All right, so try to remember in your mind what it looked like before. It's giving messy, chaos, destruction, unorganization, sadness. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like after. Now, I will say, the stuff in this top corner is stuff that, I mean, could it look better? Yes. But it's honestly stuff that isn't going to go anywhere else. It's like files, documents, my like travel backpacks, and a blender. So like there's really nowhere else I can put that. And then on the top of this shelf is like all of my like filming equipment and lights. So these two shelves are just going to remain like this until I can get like some organization bins. But for now, I think it's so much fresher, so much lighter, so much cleaner, so much crisper. So I feel so much better in this closet now. I feel like I can breathe. I know where everything is. I know what everything is. It's not just all jumbled up. And typically when I would walk in here, I would like have my head down, be in, be out. But now I can like mosey on, see what I've got, see what I want to wear. And it's going to be just so much easier for me to just make up outfits. This is the video, everybody. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like these types of organization videos, subscribe to see more. I've got lots of stuff in my house to organize. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!